Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, we're going to explore some of the best copyright-free music channels you can use for your YouTube and social media content. Now, sometimes, even with copyright-free music, you might still see a copyright notification. Don't worry, because in this video, I'll show you exactly why that happens and how to solve it. So make sure to watch till the end, because by the time we finish, you'll know how to safely use copyright-free music without getting into trouble. Alright, let's get started. The first channel is Vlog No Copyright Music. It offers a wide range of copyright-free tracks, perfect for vlogs and lifestyle videos. This channel currently has over 2.48 million subscribers and more than 1.4K videos available for creators. Here, you will find a wide variety of videos that you can freely use for vlogging and lifestyle content. The music is designed to perfectly complement travel vlogs, daily routines, and creative storytelling, making your videos more engaging and professional. The next channel is Ross Bugden. This channel currently has over 207K subscribers and a library of 82 videos available for creators. This channel features a collection of high-quality, copyright-free cinematic and instrumental tracks that are perfect for background music in videos. Many creators use his music for storytelling, dramatic scenes, and even gaming content. Now, let's move on to the next channel, which is Scott Buckley. The channel currently has over 145K subscribers and offers a library of more than 300 videos for creators to use. This channel offers a wide range of high-quality, copyright-free music, including cinematic, ambient, and instrumental tracks that are perfect for videos, vlogs, and creative projects. Next up, we have Serge Pavlikin Music. It currently has over 14.5K subscribers and a growing library of more than 800 videos available for creators. This channel offers a beautiful and diverse collection of emotional, cinematic, inspirational, hopeful, and instrumental tracks. Each piece is crafted to enhance storytelling, elevate the mood of vlogs, and provide powerful background scoring for creative projects. Whether you are working on travel content, motivational videos, or dramatic scenes, the music from this channel adds depth and professionalism to your work. The next channel on our list is Breaking Copyright, Royalty-Free Music. The channel currently has over 694K subscribers and a library of more than 1.2 videos available for creators. This channel is dedicated to providing creators with a wide collection of high-quality tracks across multiple genres, including electronic, cinematic, ambient, piano, house, space, kids, and inspirational music. What makes it stand out is the variety and versatility of its library, giving you the freedom to choose music that perfectly matches the mood and tone of your project. Whether you are creating travel vlogs, cinematic storytelling, motivational content, educational videos, or even fun kids projects, this channel has music that can instantly elevate your production. It is truly an excellent choice for any creator who wants modern, engaging, and copyright-free background music that adds a professional touch to their videos. However, sometimes you may receive a copyright notice when using certain tracks, but there's no need to worry. These channels provide a clear solution to resolve these issues. To use the music, simply open the track you want to download and scroll down to the description. There, you will find the license details. In the license section, it clearly states that the song is free to use on YouTube and other social media platforms, but you must include the required credits in your video description to comply with the usage terms. To ensure your video remains fully copyright safe, you simply need to include the required information in your video description. You can easily do this by copying and pasting the provided credits directly into your description. By properly adding the credits as specified in the license, you can freely use the music without any risk of copyright claims or strikes. This simple step allows you to enjoy high-quality, royalty-free music while fully complying with the creator's terms. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your content creation process easier and more professional. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips and resources for creators. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.